Greetings, I'm Art Fireman. We are Projector Reviews TV. Thank you for visiting our channel today. And of course, if you haven't been there, please drop by and visit projectorreviews.com. Or maybe you're here right now. Today, I would love to tell you about two new Epson projectors. This would be their Home Cinema 2100 and 2150. They are replacing Epson's two best home entertainment / home theater projectors, which would be the Home Cinema 2040 and 2045. They are the same price as the older models, but they are greatly improved. You're getting a lot more bang for your buck with these two new guys. 2500 lumens, making them very bright, multiple color modes to deal with. These are 3 LCD projectors, as are all Epsons. They are 1080p resolution. It has a dynamic iris. One of the big improvements, by the way, from the previous series, which was around for a couple of years and change, is that new lens. Big improvement over the old 1.2 to 1 zoom. You also get better contrast for better black level performance. Both projectors have a built-in 10-watt speaker, so it's easy enough to just pick up your HC 2100 or 2150, haul it outside, plug it in, and have one of those summer movie nights. It has 3D capabilities. It'll do your Blu-ray 3D discs as well as other formats of 3D. It's got frame interpolation, that's smooth motion, something you don't normally find on low-cost projectors. In fact, it's one of the rare ones in this price range that has that, and that works really nicely for smoothing out high-speed sports. You can use it on regular TV too. I certainly don't recommend it for movie watching, however. Warranty is excellent. 2 years parts and labor with Epson's Extra Care or Road Service program, which basically says if you have a warranty problem during the first 2 years, all you have to do is give them a call. They will ship out a replacement projector for you the next day. They will pay the freight. It's that easy. It's about as good a warranty as you can find out there. Cost of operation, pretty good. 4,000 hours in full power. In eco mode, that jumps to 7,500 hours. That's a lot of hours. Even 4,000 hours is 40 hours a week for 2 years. But perhaps the most important thing is the Epson has really good color. Like other LCD projectors and LCOS projectors, it has as many color lumens as it has white lumens. And that makes a real difference. It also means you can get great color without sacrificing 40–50% of your overall brightness. Speaking of brightness, it blew away its claim. But even in the best modes, it's still hovering around that 2500 lumen range at full power. Overall, a major improvement over what was one of the best-selling pair of projectors on the market. These guys are smoking hot. Check out the full review at projectorreviews.com. And hey, I like you watching this. I hope you like us. Thanks a lot. I'm Art Fireman, Projector Reviews TV. I'm out of here.